Okay, movie stars. Today we have a Ssimos3PE ECU manufactured by Continental and also by Siemens. So this car comes from a VW or Seat or Skoda, one potted or petrol. It was in a Skoda Fabia, also in the VW Polo. If you want to bypass this issue, you will have to remove the EEPROM on the inside of the ECU, which is a 93C76. You can email us that file and we will send you back a file that is edited for bypass. You write it back and your email is bypassed. If you are not sure how to remove or where it's located, you can click on the link below. That will take you to our website. There you can become a member and we will show you and learn you and assist you how to do these type of jobs. If you are a member, you will also be able to be in contact with a human being with assistance via WhatsApp, chats, video calls, whatever is necessary. This issue also has a flash, a 29F400. Some OBD tools when you edit your flash for performance or deleting any TDCs. It will repair the checksum yourself, but if you use a laboratorium programmer, you will have to repair your checksum manually. Again, we can help you with those procedures and many other issues. So you're welcome to go and join on our website, or if you like and subscribe, in future we will make more detailed videos like this. Thank you for your time and enjoy your day.